All right, here's a classic, iconic street rod. 1940 Ford Coupe. And this one is built right and made to drive. Absolutely beautiful car. This is actually a local gentleman that has this, good customer of ours. He'll have vehicles for 3, 4, 5 years, and he decides that maybe it's time for something else, so he brought this one in for us to sell for him. Again, absolutely beautiful car. We'll go through some of the build on this. It was built in the mid-2000s, has less than 7,000, 8,000 miles on it, give or take, since it was built. Now, underneath the hood, 454, big block. That has less than 500 miles on it. We actually installed it here. So, good, reliable power plant underneath there, and it is beautiful. We'll get around to the end of the video here, and I'll pop the hood. We'll start it up. I'll let you check that out. So, the 454, less than 500 miles on it, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. All right, and the rear end, 8-inch Ford rear end. 247 to 1 gears. This vehicle's made to go down the highway 60, 70, 75 miles an hour, not a problem. And it's got all the modern amenities to do it in style. Not like driving an old classic. This is more like driving a modern day car with that old classic look. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Has vintage heat and air in it. Power disc brakes. Turbo thrust wheels with the dust guards, keep those wheels looking good. Smoothly bumpers, as you can see, front and rear. It's kind of almost like a battleship gray taupe color. This car gets so much attention in our area, and one of the things that everybody always talks about is the color on it. Absolutely beautiful color, kind of a dark gray charcoal leather interior out of a General Motors vintage pickup or Tahoe. Get around and show you that when we get to the driver's side. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, go to uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on that. That's going to take you right there. So you can check out the underside of this car, engine bay, trunk, interior. Check out all those pictures. Feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. Like I said, gentlemen's in our area, good customer of ours, know the car well. It's 100% original steel. So it's a Jenny body steel. And it's basically about like everything on this car is about like new, considering built in the mid-2000s, well taken care of, driven very, very nice, less than 500 miles in that engine. I mean, you can get in this car and go, it's turnkey. Been to a lot of shows throughout the Midwest here and around. It goes down the highway nice. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Again, paint in very, very nice shape on this, as you can see when we go around. And you take a close look in those pictures, you'll see paint's very nice shape. I notice there's one little touch-up spot up on the hood I can point out when we get around to that. All right, some more about this build. Ceramic coated headers underneath the hood also, HEI ignition. And again, all power components, steering, brakes. Now, as far as some suspension, chassis engineering rear suspension, chassis engineering bolt-on Mustang 2 front suspension. Does have boxed and strengthened frame, sway bars front and rear, 11-inch power disc brakes. Now, it does have electric wipers and cruise control also. Trunk is completely finished off. This is past NSRA safety certifications easily. And this will run 190 to 200 degrees in traffic, AC on, cruising right along. So like I said, this thing's made to drive. You can also be 6'4" or less and fit in here comfortably. Now, as you can see, power seats, and yes, they do work. They're all wired up. Also for the recliner. So like I said, kind of a General Motors Sierra Tahoe seat, and of course fold down armrests. I mean, this again, the car's made to drive. Very, very comfortable. Door panels match, carpeting, everything all in good shape on this car. Headliner also. Now, let's go ahead and fire this up. I want to show you this gauge cluster and everything else, how nice this is on the interior. Look at that. Like I said, it's might look like a 40 Ford on the outside and be an all steel body and all original, but when you come in and get in to drive this, a lot of modern amenities. Beautiful gauge cluster. See how everything works. Back lighting all matches. So what a beautiful setup. Tilt column. Nicely, that door closes. Come around to the back. Nice little rumble out of that 454. Nothing crazy. This car will turn heads into your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins, or just taking it out down the road. Now, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood open. I will show you on these how you open them. Right here, flips up. That'll release it. You can lift it up. I'm going to pause the video so I can do it two-handed here and let you guys check out this engine bay. It's incredible. All right, here you go. This thing wins best engine bay, best motor trophies all the time. Look at how nicely that is installed in there. Look at how polished, how good it looks, and all the components. All the good stuff. There's a Griffin aluminum radiator, high flow fan. Like I said, this thing stays cool. It's not going to overheat. Run the AC, run in traffic, run 70 miles an hour. Drive it like a modern day car. So there you have it. 1940 Ford Street Rod. Absolutely beautiful. 454 powered, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. All the amenities of a modern car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the pictures. Check out the undersides. Check this thing all over. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Look forward to hearing from you on this one. Give us a call.